Shut your hook. Oh, shit. I have to call you back.
What is up, you guys? And we have, yes, guys, we have another one. I've been really trying to find a fire pond for the longest. You know how this struggles, man, you guys. But I finally got a fire pond, guys. And just wait until bass season come around when it warms up, man. And we really gonna get it. But for right now, we still going for the catfish, the brown, and the crappie. All respects for people that's my people down south, you know. So let's get to it, you guys. That's all. That is what we're going to do for this video. So let's get to it.
Let's see what we're gonna start out with this time. Of course, as always, you know what? I'm gonna start off a little different. I'll always get my catfish dingle stick out and use that first, but I'm gonna get my crappie dangler. Once I get her from untied and undangled, I meant this entangled. The dangle stick distangled. Alright, you guys, now we got the crappie dangle stick untangled. Gonna catch an old minnow. Grab an old minnow. Fast little fellas. Where you going, fella? I don't want you. I was saying get a minnow out the bucket. As you guys know, I like to hook them top of the head. Some people hook them in the back. Some people hook them in the tail. Any ways you can do it. And they be alive for a while, guys. People be like, oh, you hook them in the head, they die quicker. Like, I have not had no problem with them dying any quicker than any other way, honestly. Gonna let that dangle down right there for a while. I got my catfish dingle stick out. I got my smallest circle hook I can get. I think like a size 2 circle hook. Get your piece of liver, wrap it on there a few times on your circle hook. You have it looking like that. And you give her a gentle cast out there. Ooh, gentle smooth cast out. And let her sit. Make sure it's not too hard because your liver will go flying off every time. No doubt about it. And once you see your rod tip doing a dance like that right there, you got one on, you guys. Oh, we got one on. We got one on. The rod bent like hell then. Come on, man. You don't tell me you came off. There we go. We got one on. Oh, no. Okay. I told you it's going to be a good one. If it hit, it's a decent one. Come on this way, my guy. Yes, sir. Talk to me. Talking. Real. Another one, guys. Another one. I don't care, man. I'm keeping everything. Bring. Gosh. Got a good one now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sunfish. No, that's a bluegill, buddy blue. Got one. Another one. Fishy. Hold on. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Wow. Gosh damn it, man. Fuck, I just lost the rod. Damn, but I'm gonna have to call you back. Oh my goodness. Wow. How did I catch a freaking crappie like that, bro? I'm freaking trying to get gosh darn. Just lost a freaking rod to a catfish, bro. Okay. No. Nope, nope, nope. Get up under that, get up under that. Get up under that, get up under that. Okay. We saved it, guys. We saved it. We had to save my rod. Woo-wee. Freaking catfish hit. I went over here in time. I caught a freaking crappie trying to dig for it. Wouldn't it have been freaking nice if the catfish was still on? Got one on, guys, I think. I moved my rod down to the ground, so if I do get one on, y'all can see. See that moving, guys? Uh-oh. See how it's going like that? That's how you know when you got one on. This is my last one, so I'm just gonna let it play a little bit. See how it's bending. Yeah, that got twerking. Go to twerking like that, guys. You just wait a little bit. Make sure you're good to go. And you set your hook. And you set that hook good. Set that hook good. Do it a few times, you know. Make sure she's in there. Oh no. Told you my rod messed up, guys. And that's the end of it. That's my last one. Oh. Talk to me. There it goes.
Play that shit on TNT. I ain't felt this way in a minute. I just blew the roof through the ceiling. I just woke up to another million. Finally made my way out of the trenches, and I still take a brick and get it going, yeah. Take a bitch and break a bitch and send her home, yeah. But my brothers, you in trouble, they right or they wrong, yeah. All that I know